Hey guys, it's Sean from RecPro.com. Thanks very much for joining us for this video about our holding tanks, water tanks, and gray water tanks. Now behind me, as you can see, we have our logistics team hard at work getting tanks off of a truck. Now, why do we pull so many tanks off of trucks every single day and put them into our inventory? It's because we want to be one of the leading suppliers of aftermarket tanks for our customers in the RV industry, and we are. We have a wide selection of freshwater tanks, gray water tanks, black water tanks, also known as holding tanks, that we offer to our customers, and we offer even more customization options for our customers so you can make your tanks uniquely yours. We're also one of the leading suppliers of tanks for EPI, that's Elkhart Plastics Inc., and they're known far and wide as one of the best tank manufacturers in the world. Their tanks are free of impurities, they're durable, and they last. So, when you want tanks, no matter what they're for your RV, food truck, or other application, make sure and go to RecPro.com because we've got the inventory and we've got the customization options that you need.